Feeling overwhelmed by massive projects? Let's dive into the power of Jira Subtasks and learn how to conquer those complex projects by breaking them down, step by step. First, identify your big, overarching task. This is your parent task. Think of it as the main goal you need to achieve. To create a subtask, start by clicking the Create button or the plus icon in Jira, located within your project. In the Issue Type field, select Subtask. This is crucial. Now, fill in the details for your subtask. Give it a clear summary or title that describes the smaller piece of work, usually a smaller step. Assign it to a team member where applicable, and in the description field, briefly explain what needs to be done. Next, and this is often the most important part, to associate the subtask with a parent task. This will be in the Parent link field. Find the parent task in the drop-down. After creating the subtasks, you'll see them nested under the main task. This provides a clear visual representation of your project's structure. When the individual tasks are marked done, you'll note that the progress bar of the main task will also move, showing the progress. These smaller work items contribute directly to the progress of your larger goal, leading to more efficient teamwork and easier progress tracking. Using subtasks in Jira makes tasks smaller, and by using them, helps your team stay organized and achieve project success.